Just be style.
Okay.
Come on, Farley's gonna do the art walkthrough, spontaneous.
All right. So, welcome to Just Be's gallery. And this is the main space of her gallery. And we can start right here with the blues. And these aren't blues, all blues, but they give us a feeling of real rest and energy at the same time. So that's what Barbara's done this year. She's gone through the passage. That's what she's done this year. And she has creative waves. But the cosmos is waiting on her to create every piece she ever wanted to make. And then this is my favorite, I think. Just gorgeous. I may be buying that one today. And then we have the priestess and the other priestess. Pouring beauty, making jewelry that people like to wear. I've got on a piece right here. Every time I come over, I say, well, that one and that one. Birthday flowers, necklaces. Look at this. God, I love these colors. Check this out. And sparkly in there too. What's life without the sparkles? I'm calling this a signature wall.
You want to go over here?
Yeah.
This is my favorite wall. I think it's so like spring and energetic and
So floral and in touch with the earth. Bracelets, rocks, fabulous earrings. Maybe I ought to put on a pair.
that's the problem with being here all the time.
Being here, you want to wear them all
And
the
then
time.
I'm like, oh no, I got some new paint. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a new one.
I know. And see, I love how you can stack up your things, your pieces. Because you've got your little bee on them, so it makes where the clasp is a stack up place too.
Right.
I love stacking.
Thank you.
Beautiful gal
Yep, 21 now.
with her mom.
21 now.
Great picture.
Love my girl.
Bracelets. Love the rocks. God, everything I see, I really like. I mean, there's no
This is
end
called-
to it.
This is called art therapy for a reason. Because you don't know what you're going to do, like
About that.
what you're going to do, what you're going to create.
Looking at your art through the world.
I can video that. Wait, hold this still a minute.
Mm-hmm. Let's try another piece. Woo! I love that. Oh, it's got a little hole.
And we
to
got
stand.
soccer colors here.
Yeah. All right, let's go up.
Oh, you mean there's
well, this
there's
is where
more?
the creation really takes
where it
place.
happens?
This is where it happens between here and Miss Just Being Dead. It happens there too. I love
Right.
this
A lot of the jewelry happens right there.
Right there.
For real. There's a
And
lot that happens right there.
There's a lot that
Some
that
editing
happens
happens
here.
right there.
And then this to me makes me feel serene every time I see it.
Thank you. I think I'm not ready to leave with
And
that
then
one.
Will helped us out yesterday
Right.
with the Chinese.
The Chinese symbol.
Of
The
happiness.
Chinese symbol for love.
Love, that's what it was.
Right? It was
We had it on the wall backwards.
family over
Love.
togetherness.
Maybe so.
Oh, geez, we weren't listening very well.
We were, but we
Okay, but it's a
forgotten.
Chinese symbol for love.
Yes, it's
And
beautiful.
I knew that when I bought it, but it had been out of my possession. And, well, you know,
All right. I think we ought to go
hemobrain has its
upstairs.
effects. Okay. You want to move this along?
Move this along.
Okay.
And,
Our art director, tourist.
yeah, she's the move it along guy.
Oh, good Lord.
Look at this wonderful view out here.
She talks through me hobbling up the steps.
Yeah, we were just moving along.
Moving along.
I love how incredibly organic that piece is. With the sparkles too. Look at this bird.
I don't know if I should have the flash on here or not. Keep going. We'll do this
Cookies.
really quick. Anyway, we don't want to
Cookies,
get
no,
through
we don't
everything.
want to drag it out.
Because look,
And
like-
we've got this complete wall. And a jellyfish.
it's neat to see you next to it because turn around. I'll take a picture of you. Because it just gives it all perspective, you know?
Yes, it does.
It's so hard to see the sizes
so
of things.
True. And here's our dark and fascinating pieces. Our peacock and the peacock pet.
See, I should turn that flash on.
Yeah,
See what happens.
the lighting's pretty good in here today. And then here's our beautiful woman with her flowing mane of hair.
Her locks. Got those locks.
Got the locks.
Yeah.
They're actually dreads. They're wonderful.
These look so dark until you get close to them. So when they're lit,
Yes.
they're just fabulous. Anyway,
Oh yeah.
she's the
Beautiful.
tour guide.
And this very
It's the
very,
birthday tour.
very cool kitchen. This is such a great place. And some of your early work of the year. Some of your daughter's
This
favorites.
is one of my favorites.
Oh, I love this. And there's just bee in there.
There's a couple of these in there.
Yes,
Just
there
like-
are.
I surround myself with like people who like to just be. She just wants
Oh, is
me
that
to
a
show
fan?
off her piece. Because I told her.
Oh, I get to take that one
I told her
home.
she gets to take it home finally.
Mm. The wise tree of life. And then we've got this fabulous back cat.
Side porch.
Side porch.
Holy, I can't believe I cannot do steps right now. Like, I feel like I need to find someone that has a crutch. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy. You're going to have to sit in one of these upper chairs so they don't have to.
I'm just gonna
go
have
so
to
far
chill.
when you stand up. Because your knee's not acting right.
Anyway, thanks for the tour. Thanks for the tour, beautiful
Just
lady.
Beautiful.
Beautiful lady.
What can I say?
Oh, you're in the
Tour
shadow.
guides in my
Stand out there
future.
so you're not in the shadow.
And that is the conclusion of Joss B's birthday tour. Mwah!